Alright, what's up, everybody? Search for Soccer Race doing a one box break of 24-25 Tops Bayern 125th anniversary. This is a pick your player style break, and this is break number 1 for us on this. You'll see the spots on the left of your screen. Let's scroll through the spots. Don't forget to live across Twitch, YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, leave that notification bell on so you know when we go live, and don't forget to like our live stream, it helps the channel heaps. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Alright. Smash the like button, everyone. Long stream tonight. And I really appreciate everybody for jumping in on the breaks. Alright, let's drop down teams. Let's get into it. I haven't seen how one of these is, I'm pretty sure. I think I saw one card. I think on a reel. But I didn't see how it's all laid out. Really nice boxes. We'll see here in a second. How do we open it? Or do you push it? Oh no, it flicks up like this, doesn't it? What the... Okay, majorly confused. Oh, it's magnet. I didn't realize. There's a magnet there. Wow. Alright. Alright, so that's how it is. You know what, we can probably do it like that. Maybe. How are we going to do this to hide it? I mean, it's just base cards, but... Very nice cards. Alright, here we go. Alright, we're starting off. What's that? Oh, it's just like a little gold film. Card protector. Alright. We're kicking it off. Card number 1. Thiago Alcantara. 5 of 99. 5 of 99. I'm going to have to put them like that. I'm going to top load them later. Oh, they come with covers. How good. Next up, it will be a quick break. Really nice cards. Roland Wolfar. 19 of 99. I know, it took me... How long did it take me to just open that, eh? Wild. Oh, I should have enough sleeves there. Well, I figured it out anyways. Alright, up next, Frank Ribery, 27 of 49. Nice. Ribery. Beckenbauer on the base. Yeah, I forgot to get top loaders out for this. It's all good. Up next. Who's this now? Nice. Jamal Musiala. 45 of 49. Really nice looking cards. Solid too. They feel awesome. Jamal Musiala. I'll butcher some of the names. That's for sure. Alright, up next. A little orange action. Eric Dyer. 25 of 33. Surely we can hit a 101 here. We've got to hit a 101 tonight, right? Next up, blue. What's blue number 2? Paulo Sergio. 5 of 6 on that one. 5 of 6. Up next, Harmon, 26 of 49. There's covers there. I don't know why I'm putting the white. Up next, another Eric Dyer, 30 of 49. Eric Dyer spot's doing alright. Next card up. France Beckenbauer, 16 of 99. So he must come out a bit. Nice on the France Beckenbauer. And last card of these base cards, we have Olise, 69 of 99. Alright, crunch time. Here comes our encased cards. Alright, should we do the patch first, or you know what, I'm going to do it like this, just so I can hide this a little bit better once I pull it out. Alright. First encased card. Really, really nice cards, these. Alright, first encased card. Oh, wow. Holy moly. How about a Bastian Schweinsteiger and Thomas Muller? 30 of 33. That is sick. Who had that spot? Schweinsteiger, Muller, Brentner. That is Jamie. There you go, Jamie. Are they on card? Holy moly, they're on card. On card autos. I didn't even realize that. That's sick. Holy moly, on card autos too. Wow. Unreal. Alright, next up. Who's our next auto? This is a sticker auto, but Luca Toni, 10 of 10. Luca Toni. Who was Luca Toni? And there's so many spots, it's going to be hard for me to figure out who had what. Where's Luca Toni? Oh, Luca Toni's there. That's Aras. That was with the Ribery. That just went. Yeah, man. Take your buy-ins, especially with these. That's on-card autos on a duel of 2 legends. That's a crazy card. That's a big card, especially for a buying collector. Next up. On-card auto. It's Klaus Augenthaler. 25 of 49. On-card auto. And that was Jamie as well. That was Schweinsteiger, Muller spot. Augenthaler spot. Wow. Jamie's killing it with the with the on-carders here. There you go. It's a really good product. I'm keen to see this like last patch card though, because I heard these patch cards are unreal. Next up, we've got a sticker. Oliver Kahn. Wow, 27 of 49. of 49 on the Oliver Kahn. Damn, this is a really nice product, man. Yeah, his auto is awesome. Look at that, on card. Clean as. Oh, I think these are the stadium. This is a stadium piece. Wow. Thick one touch. Holy moly, look at that. That's a 360. We got a stadium piece, I think. This is going to be old school. Wow. France Beckenbauer, Jamal Musiala, 3 of 33. So good. France Beckenbauer, Musiala spot. That was together with Iron Robin and Roth. That's James. There you go, James. Nice piece. Official stadium seats. So good. Rarely containing this card are the original parts of the stadium seats from the Olympiad Stadion Allianz Arena in Munich. That's a nice card. Oh well, that was the box. Very nice box, I think. Empty on it. Alright, let's do our recap. I'll top load these. I just got to get top loaders. Alright, so we Alicia to 99, France Beckenbauer to 99, Eric Dyer to 49, Harmon to 49, Sergio to 6, Eric Dyer to 33, Musiala to 49, Frank Ribery to 49, to 99, Wolfarth, and Thiago Gontara to 99. Alright, then we go to the wall. We had the Stadium Relic, France Beckenbauer, Jamal Musiala to 33. Yeah, very nice product. Luca Toni. I'll drop another one now when I jump off. Another one of these. 10 of 10, Luca Toni. We had the Oliver Kahn to 49. Klaus Augenthaler, 25 of 49. And how about on-card autos? Wow, have you ever seen a dual on-card auto of Schweinsteiger Muller? Or is this the first time? 30 of 33. Super sick card. And that was 24-25 Topps Bayern 125th anniversary box break number 1. Appreciate it.